Have you ever wondered how to apply for a scholarship? Or maybe you've been stumped by the process and simply didn't know where to begin. Well, today we are going to demystify the process, breaking it down into easy-to-follow steps. First and foremost, it's crucial to start early. Scholarships aren't something to be left to the last minute. Starting early affords you the time to research and identify the scholarships that are right for you. It's like sowing seeds. The early bird gets the worm, or in this case, the scholarship. Next up, it's time to do some research. Scholarships come in all shapes and sizes, from academic and athletic scholarships to those based on community service or creative abilities. The internet is your best friend here. Use it to explore different scholarship databases, scour college websites, and even check out local community organizations. Once you've identified potential scholarships, it's time to get organized. Create a spreadsheet or use a scholarship tracking app to keep track of application deadlines, requirements, and your progress. Think of it as your personal scholarship command center. Now we come to the actual application process. Each scholarship has its own set of requirements, so it's crucial to read the instructions carefully. Some may require essays, letters of recommendation, or even interviews. Take your time to craft thoughtful responses and collect strong recommendations. Don't forget to proofread. A single typo can make a difference between a successful application and one that ends up in the reject pile. So double check, triple check, and maybe even ask someone else to review your application. Lastly, it's time to hit that submit button. But remember, applying for scholarships is a numbers game. The more you apply for, the higher your chances of winning one. So don't get disheartened if you don't strike gold on your first attempt. To recap, applying for scholarships is a process that involves starting early, doing thorough research, getting organized, carefully crafting your application, proofreading, and then applying. So, whether you're a high-achieving student, a star athlete, or someone with a passion for community service, there's a scholarship out there with your name on it. All it takes is a little bit of effort, a lot of patience, and a sprinkle of persistence. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that first step today and set yourself on the path to securing a scholarship. The world is full of opportunities, and a scholarship just might be the key to unlocking your future.